cutting my logo. As you can see here, my machine's working away. Just love it. Send it and forget it, as they say on TV. I'll be cutting the green right now for the logo, as you can see right here. And it shouldn't take but a minute to cut. And there's a logo that's going to go on the back window. And I just finished cutting the sun. I've got the green. Now I'm going to set up and cut this section. Speed and the force of the cutter. It's all done right here in my shuttle. Cutting the white now, and then I've got just the red to cut. And you can see up there is my laminator. Down under here, it's going to be hard to see in the dark, but that's my t-shirt press for making t-shirts. So I've got one more color to cut, and that's red. And I'll show you that, and then I'll show you the next steps in producing my logo for the back window of my shuttle. Okay, the last thing to cut is the YouTube logo right here. And we're gonna set that up. And cut it. There's two blocks you see. Two squares, and the squares on all the rest of the lettering. That's my alignment squares. I get one, the bottom line, put on the window, and then all I have to do is line up the squares for all the other lines, and it comes out perfectly level. No measuring. This will be a quick one here. And it's done that quick. Cutter is back in its cubby hole with its foam packing to protect it while traveling. Keeps the vibration down. My vinyls are up here on my Murphy table. Getting ready to start weeding those, and I'll show you how this all works as it goes. Okay, what I'm going to do now is what's called weeding the design. Cut a line down through here. I'm on my self-healing mat, so we just bring it in. Hopefully I cut it enough, which I didn't. Okay, pull it out like that. And as you can see, my blocks there for alignment. And this is just a simple one. This is the YouTube. I have the white arrow in the middle. So once you get that to that point, then you want to take a transfer paper. This will transfer this design to the window. Stick it lined up. Stick it down like so. Take off the excess. Squeegee it down. This is why I built the shuttle the way I built it. It's purpose built. All the cabinets are built for a reason. For my t-shirt machine, for my vinyl cutter, for my laminator, for transfer papers and heat transfers, and all my vinyl on this side of the bus. The other side of the bus has the stove, refrigerator, and sink. And so what I do is I just take off the excess that I don't need for right now. because these alignment blocks are going to line everything up. I've been doing sign work since 1974, 1990 with a computer. So I've been at it for a while. Alright, I'm going to continue on and get the rest of them weeded, and I'll show you what they all look like as one piece. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them on today or not because it's been raining for the last couple days, and I'm not sure what the temperature is outside yet. But I'll be back to you.